I think Mommy has something for you, William.
Yeah.
You know what is that?
What is that?
I don't know. We'll see.
Well,
Yeah.
Are you ready?
yeah.
Yeah.
This is a birthday present from Brooklyn and Aunt Emily and Uncle Andrew. What do you say?
Thank you. What in the world? What the big one?
Wow.
Again.
What is
Again.
Is it awesome?
Let's open it up.
Okay, let's open it up.
We need scissors.
We do need scissors. Let's get some scissors.
Oh, and that place that's in the cannon. And then you just need some. And Mickey got to get all that time.
What do you say to Brooklyn and Aunt Emily and Uncle Andrew?
Thank you. Well, we need to open this one.
Wow. Yeah.
It's out there.
Whoa.
And oh, the building. Ugh. Need to take them out. Whoa. No. Whoa, no.
Whoa.
Is this too?
It's huge.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, the stuff. And the way. Oh no. No, it's not working. Where's the waste?
Whoa.
We're missing. We missed the waste.
We gotta put it together.
We need to go.
Yeah, there's lots of stuff in here.
Oh, whoa. Wait. Let me open that back.
Yeah, let's take all of the tissue paper off. Can you help Mommy take the tissue paper off?
Oh, messy. Where's it go? Where's messy go?
Oh, look, what's this?
A hammer.
It's a nice hammer.
Okay.
Whoa, that looks like an engine.
Where's Messy? Where's Messy go?
Oh, look, it's a drill.
Where's Messy? Where's Messy?
Well, we gotta find him. He's in here somewhere.
Where's go? Where's Mickey? Let's use
Good.
It's like use a drill like this.
Wow, that's a nice drill. We gotta figure out where that goes. I think it goes right here.
I need. Oh no.
You want Mommy to try to put it on? I think it goes right here. Let me see.
Let's try to build the engine. It doesn't
Yeah,
go
there you
on.
go. Well, Mommy's gonna have to look at the directions to see.
I know.
Can you unwrap this one, please?
Whoa. Where's Mickey? This is the toy. Daniel.
There we go.
It's a toodle.
Is it O'Toodles?
It's just in the top.
Okay.
And
There we go.
then here we go. Let's add it. Re-add it. When we add it to it. When we add it. Where's those cars?
Ew. Wow.
Where's those cars go?
We've got to use these legs and we've got to build it.
We need to tie this.
Yeah. Mommy needs that piece right there.
Oh, I
Here.
need to.
Let's put this over here so Mommy can build this. That one goes over here. Can you bring Mommy the other leg?
Oh no.
I think it goes right here.
Right here, this forward is a tower.
Is it a tower?
The tower for cars to park.
Okay, we've got to see if we can.
Oh, it's It's Mr. Mickey. He got
Mr. Mickey.
here. He is.
There he is.
What's needle like? He needs to count it down.
And put this one on right here.
Okay, what's
Oh no, let mommy do it.
over there?
Then when I got it lined up, I'll let you know you can press it. Okay?
I need to press
Okay,
it.
press it on. Rub it.
Oh, it's time to and to all the blocks I have.
Wow.
Look at all my blocks.
I like all your blocks.
And my shoes. And my joy. All the bags I need. This one looks perfect to that. Count it out.
That looks
This-
perfect.
Let's press perfect now. Put the lid on.
Hold on. Okay, help mommy rub.
I'm trying to count it and doing. To try to do it to end
Okay,
it.
let mommy do it.
The car is too big machine.
It's upside down number.
No, it's not. That's how they had it.
Oh, this one we need the tire. We need more tires. And then to count. Look at my hard blocks
Wow.
to build.
Wow.
Let's get started. Let's go belly back. All the places that are done. A new one is put on. One. Just turn around. Now we're ready. Just gonna carry all my blocks down.
Okay, hold on.
Hold on. The numbers. Mouse. Mickey Mouse. This is Mickey Mouse. 2 ways. And then all my blocks are in the way. It's on. Whoa. The block is so cool. Let's open the block first. Let's do our stickers first. And this is first stickers.
Yeah, mommy has to put the stickers on your tools. Okay, let's see here.
Okay. Let's try about the
What
back.
is this?
What is
This looks like
Okay, mommy's gonna show you. Come this way.
all right, come here. Let me show you everything. All right. This is your Mickey and Roadster race car pit crew workbench. Yay!
we know.
Okay. So right here, this is a holder for your impact wrench. This is an impact wrench. It goes bzz, bzz, bzz. This right here, you see this? This is the socket. So we help mommy press the socket in.
Socket.
Yep, gotta put the socket in. Now, your screws, get your screw down here. Look,
And
we can stick the screws in and we can screw. Help mommy. Ah, look, we just tightened it in. Good job.
let's tie the water.
Yeah. Okay, this right here, this is your oil. This is where we check the oil. This is your engine. This is your car engine's battery. If the battery doesn't work, your car won't work. Remember, mommy had to get her car fixed? It's because the battery didn't work. Over here, this is your air filter.
Oh,
Yeah, we gotta check the air filter and make sure it's okay.
You need to screw.
Oh, do we need to screw it in with your impact wrench? Okay, let's do it. Vroom, 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 vroom. Is it in?
Yeah,
Awesome.
it's not.
All right, this right here,
It's not tight.
this is your mallet. You say mallet?
Mallet?
Yep, it's just like a hammer. Here's your screwdriver. See your screwdriver?
It's not working.
Do you want me to help you?
No.
Let me see. I think it's in. I think we got it. Let me check. Here, pick it up. Pick your impact. Oh yeah, it's good. It's on there. Good job. All right. Next up, right over here, William, this is your drill press. So we've got to get a little plate. Look. Okay, lift it up. Lift it up. You gotta drill holes.
It's awesome.
Okay, put your drill press down. There you go. Drill the hole for Mommy. Perfect. Lift it up. Awesome. Let's drill the other side.
We need
Drill this one for Mama.
We need the screws to it.
Can you drill it for Mama?
We need the screws.
We can put the screws over here. All right. Let's put this right here. And I need some nails. Let's get the black nails from under here. Can you get the black nails? Get the black nails for Mama. We need a nail, not a screw. Can you get the nails?
Nail.
Got it? Okay, let's put the nail right here. And let's use your mallet. Okay, use your mallet to hammer it in. Good job. Keep going.
Oh.
Super.
It's not tight.
It's great.
It's not tight yet.
I think it's good. Okay, get another nail for over here.
They're not tight. I did it.
Oh, you got it?
You're not
Good
talking.
job. All right, we've got one more thing to show the kids. Here is your wrench.
It's my wrench.
Yep, it's a two-sided wrench. And right here, this side right here, this is called your pegboard. So when you're done with your tools, you hang them up on the pegboard. So your area is nice and clean. Great job. Now you can fix all of your
Wow, that's the engine.
Whoa, I think you're doing a good job. Ooh. Ooh, is it working good? Oh, it sounds like it's working well.
We need that screw here. It's not working.
Try lifting it up a
Yeah,
little
you
bit.
gotta lift up a little bit. Yeah, try doing it, lifting it up. You see? Good.
You got it on there.
Oh, that's powerful.
It is powerful. You do it. So it's taking it out instead of putting it in.
Let's use it. No. There's not my car now.
Okay, what do you have to say to kids? Okay, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We're going to our toy.
Say bye.
We need our